the dispatch of officials from our missions to various border countries to assist our people when they cross into neighboring countries. Due to the effective collaboration with the Hungarian authorities, the government of Ghana has secured passage through Hungary on a visa-free basis for Ghanaian students who are in possession of Ghanaian passports. We are told the Hungarian government is also providing coordinated assistance to enable our nationals reach airports in Budapest or Debrecen. The government of Ghana is grateful to the Hungarian government. This effective collaboration has also led to the Romanian government according us a warm reception. As is the case in humanitarian exercises, women and children have been given priority. The government of Ghana is equally grateful to the government of Romania for its philanthropic gesture. Indeed, the goodwill displayed by these friendly countries is a testament to the sound bilateral relations that exist between us and also the goodwill that Ghana enjoys among the Committee of Nations. We call on other friendly nations to extend similar assistance to our compatriots. We can confirm that an unknown number of Ghanaian students are reported to have left Ukraine a week or so ago following our Bern mission's advice as the situation was getting dire. Many of them are back here at home in Ghana. So they left early before the situation got very bad.
AJ, Minister for Foreign Affairs and Afe Regional Integration, Honorable Shelley Ayoko-Boche and Oten Kanenra press briefing on Ghana for one more Edinson Seme Ukraine. Sifuntumu esamata twene kwa Russia for so ayo moso na ebinumu su hiamwa emefo mu free hono nkeka wana muntu aban na tu ene Mpensenpensemu akodro. Even as we speak and they expect say enipa be say duunu na 24 beba be hanan adusian so evacuation process ni guso a ebi by close of the day na o china no na ebi nso ediso eba emu nhye ni ade nyina ebenya to base bia but before then ne fa na se Emma Imeku wasi atofo Emma anopai yede badwam dwumadi Mpensenpensemu ebrem wani wa wani tuase hepa plus mixture opese UCPC tanipa entena ho nyade ansa no apaduru akira kwan eduru a wono mu a eno no ebo wedie ne mabe na afa kutia nyadewa na mo num to sosoma otimididie de hepa plus mixture afa wonso a eja open mobile phone tablet laptop open TV open air condition empacho phone ho accessories bia de papa bia fa phone ho de obenya no Franco Trading Enterprise omo eyatufo na omo ton bi so baako ntimu a mo pe bi etu aton phone accessories ni ho nkeka ho na ope Franco TV Franco air condition ne bo ne da form ani da ho na etiapo so besere wa akọ Adabraka Royce manhwe ni mo no na se branches across the country wo se uhia Franco Trading Enterprise wonom ne mapa ne bia ye de bema ho e wo bo a efo so kra St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School amamfo atoro so hwe ache enso omafo ko manum eja omode ntia choose the right choice na the woman say eba remedial classes eba senior high school papa e kire nkoda ma omutwa nsohwe na omoto aso di yi wa brabomu a St Andrews senior high school in remedial classes a che say asemfo su no ne importamu onkrabata hodo bebre na odi oti St Andrews nka bo pia wo mo se ngomasua pa ene de betete oba no CD capsules CD herbal capsules eye immune booster unse ne coronavirus ya da so ne nam mframamu but de wode ne ho bo CD capsules no se de odo ho agba soroboa no kotokro enka soro bibia wote apo yare bi twineti kew na abono atofom na ona okro no ena ye wo CD ointment so ho a waposo ne ya obi a wote so ye footballer o ye dwadini o ye driver o transit TCC mu kotodwem eya obi a CD ointment no ebeye ho adwuma na St Andrews Healthcare College etete apomdemu animdifo health assistants nurses ne ho nkeka ho a eno nso eboa papa sa nyimeku adaroma ena no pay yesin kunwa ba bedi enkomo bedwam Mpensenpensemu so bidi edna na sei Ampofo-Adjei memfa na se nso emma producers wo be kofi ampedu na Priscilla Tanechi na Dominic Sieboa wonom na akunchire sem na de ba yentwe homra ba ya bedwafo na transe ye bedi nkomo eti yamo akwa ba bi mu dia ba Adom TV so bra so se de Mpensenpensemu dwumadi ne to awo so na me wo honorable Daniel ni kwa hite Titus Glover wono ye kanetama East Emrashibedwani ne wa aspire obabe national organizer of the NPP ehwe ni Musa Rikaje ebe ba kan ho na fe ye den komo no atoto so honorable titles good morning
me ataji to yo den
Joba
obomodin na boche oye
kakra obende
na gano ke wanya few
this week na ye osu manche ye no
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
I think so.
Me cross check in.
I think so.
And this week, I think it's be next week.
I think so.
Nah.
And the ending of February.
Yeah. And say you rough February, more than
28.
Yeah, and you are not in a leap year, so and then
last day.
Also, mean what's the first match? And let's say you can Independence Day. So the 64th Independence Day, and Yasam get to Accra. This is 65th Friday. Yeah. Na anyam to say
oh nyabia daroma enkwani awonde wo ho na anopa sei na adom ni bidumwa eno ane se wode na se kese beba twede ampom na ya da na se ene ya soro ye keteso enya easy o enya free weekend na o fa motor we use ni traffic ya bedu ho ide enya easy ba wo ma ho don ti e so ba
sure.
Na ubebua ejuma kesi ya mu yesi.
Enya tamankwa kwa na mate so na mu denden.
Oh yes, my call a total of 50 constituencies.
Wow.
My Bron East nyina wie. My Savannah 1 Bole Bamboy. My Northern region, my 15 out of 18 constituencies. My Northeast 6 constituencies nyina my nyina wie. Upper East my 12, my 13 out of 15. Pusiga any Boku Central and amenye Utiso so my 4 out of 8. Anyame Adom after polling station elections, you know. Meeting sim. But it's going very well.
From where I sit now, maybe say I don't know one try we polling station elections because omo delegates na bano. This is omo him for now meet you what's the probability say they will maintain
constituency executives. There's a likelihood say 60 to 70% will be retained. Of course, there will be 1 or 2 casualties, kakra, because they are the current executives. And the one of few, but me free.
But checks in it, they say about 60%.
60-70% can be retained.
Oh, okay.
And like a crash will count. Say, now come on, they appreciate that you are coming to them. Who tremor, may we need and son of Wabba Kajam to Abamba. What does he? What thing I was break the heat? Couldn't question the cause of them. They should go down and see what is there. Oh, they are who party Ejumani de Akofom. And one say, you see my vision and they say, I'm coming to energize the base of the party. Maybe a grassroots man.
Yeah.
Maybe a national organization, an organization, Debbie. You be come from Mako Yejuma. What was that identity? Sanity, and one say, Menu Moe Casa, Mzena, Susuno Kofum Wakra, and you be a Obeka Janagum. I know Baka say party Juman de Anwani Betoye. The said the Dicavu, a year I betwasono, and there was a trust of the Jumano. Nadia, the Uncle can walk, and one say Pobia, or Betio Massier, say party Jumano, a young craniano, Yeno form, and the titles global dear one pan Jenny, or baby, the one is there, a Baconia Cobwa, now a Jumano, a quay. Now, Adaji. Enura meko boa meni opinion makunta onabo kwesi makwata e wa urinary achima urinary etiwa west
okay
na MPP e wasi ya kan story ya tinkran ya hundia e buso mo mfa mo cameras no mo mfa nko na mo hu adwuma ne ya ye wo fitikwa ayi enyinam junction e de kokwa ben ya yi asphalt no go du kwa ben krom be far right edi fa kwenum sa aje asamama any economic events bibi ko eko esako something enemu sa de ko fa jejeti edi ko fa suom edi ko kede edi nemu ampetia pamming arenary edi back to kwabin. But what strike me most is say me younger Erikeji ni ti ha. Omusi ye di busuan hu ne de aye. Ko achim abomusu. Neko hwe model school na president kukuru di esi ho. It's about 80% of the work done. Administration block. Classroom block. We video no ha. Classroom block library, assembly hall, dormitories for girls and boys, master's bungalow. You see the story. Headmaster knows a headmistress in the bungalow and also science labs. Say what? Any thing can come wa any young the cause. A video I mean point me what I saw the infrastructure I saw. And I'm so Ghana. Na do ye be papa. Na model school we a Kaibria now Kwame Nkrumah see Temasco. O see Apam Secondary. O see Wuniba. O see Straightway Secondary. On the model schools are the same plan Laboni. Who call Laboni Secondary School, Tema Secondary School, Apam, Wuniba, Swesco. It is the same uniform. And yes, say I didn't know yes, you see back one passing pe no a very say Yagaba Kubori between Walewale constituency and Yagaba Kubori, but it's part of Walewale constituency. Passing pe ebi as you go Kumasi and you see a CB so and the Biswa or Bumusu. This is a model school, yes, a modernized institution, yes. I will say, look, we are seeing value for money. The idea is second year, what I say? You the sick base so at the account. And this is what in cry. And I would tell her, now Juma, President Akufo-Addo buying any education ministry. What you make say you but me am the minister video no me the better na mo abo e ya mo fa mo cameras no emfa kwa bontina mo hwe and you look at the road network ye dey ko document Ministry of Roads and Highways list of completed road project 2017 May to 2021 sendu so a total of 4,263.33 kilometers sendu ho a eni nkyere se ewi frio kakran no so I've seen it. I have seen the road network from the whole of the Tiwa West. Ediko, Eko Shiakede, any sub, any education infrastructure.
All right. Yeah, issues. So, but before then, I have this information, which happens to be a public announcement. A free Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. Osei. For immediate release, public announcement, Accra, 26 February. Okay. Data, yes, I meet you Tuesday, first March. Now, I say in view of the prevailing precarious security situation in Ukraine, which has necessitated the evacuation of Ghanaian nationals, among others, from the country to safety, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, Honorable Shelley Ayokoboche, is cordially inviting all parents, guardians, or relatives of Ghanaian nationals in Ukraine to a meeting, the details of which are as follows. Tuesday, 1st March 2022, Accra International Conference Center happens to be the venue. And time now 10 a.m. Omanfo and Shannon. So this year, Oba Unia, be our Shannon be Ukraine, Penny4, Esinyami Admoch, and Amobishia. Accra International Conference Center, 10 a.m. Inti enonso enono na enone de ehye enkomo no as over 220 Ghanaians have exited Ukraine and are expected in Ghana soon. Foreign Minister Ndra address a press no our titles de ekoso ewo Ukraine Russia for dama eja esifuntum wo esam atatwene oti ase na de abai ebi obi te Ghana ha na adweme nso pa afase aprade wada ba bi ade ne won de kemfa ye ho so efa ye ho pa because per Ministry of Foreign Affairs in some omoka no ye over 1,000 students e wo hono mo am ye Ghana this year we be 28 to say ya omo no wo aban scholarship so omo makọ individually and na Ghana this year kasa so wo ho omo ye adwuma ba se o ma bia pre na this year eti nti yen so share de gwa kwam so far arrangement aban aye any situation in Ukraine no mamenye wo initial comment on
Ada Jimmy Dase, mami chia we hwefo nyina na me chia me ni akoma. Your future lawyer Eric.
Mami Eric ji akwa ba. Eric na ti say.
Lawyer abey die.
Weekend say bibia ko ye die.
Oh, nyame adom.
You so nkofo bibre di birthday weekend pa.
And I come good.
And that's will be the own.
Wow. Oh yeah. Me Kobe. Hey, many a penny edgy tama. Yeah. 40 years.
My friend on Nano, but I'm waiting. Until later, me who pictures and I'm saying, I birthday na day.
Sorry, I must say, I come them. Now we did baby, I can see.
What you know, boy?
A comedy said, lawyer Tamaklo. Lawyer, the Tabia or Yegman. Lawyer, they are buying or buying or Yegman.
Was it a comedy? That's all for a week. I cried. You, Mammy America.
Yeah, we say lawyer Tamaklo. Happy.
We should have belated. Eric. Edgy. Afonama. You, Melilu. War and yadi papa. Baby and tokwa we bia ma eni nkwala ene bre kane. Na dia Russia yi die me de mentiasi o. Mentiasi akura. Na woko kan Ukraine innocent nationals sebe omo ekosua de na dachi omde abobo omo bra e de bebo omo man no. No more can do anything.
Metie a Russian president Vladimir Putin now can say invasion of more year war Ukraine no almost targeted a citizens name military attachments near the no more.
But in the first place, why should they attack another country?
But Osei but
the impact, no.
It's
What I say, you invade the country. You invade the country, attack the what Bonimena wayo. Bonimena wayo. And the bani say ya, Timim Fonebre. Na yebebo abana baso se Ghana for when it can say yemkwala na yema umukusu Ukraine. Omunye arrangement because all the airwaves have been airspace have been blocked.
Yes.
Play bien ba. You are blocking baby. Na
and you're blocking now. You're blocking crap and say and you're safe.
And you're safe because what
blocking him be too.
Last week, Eric, one of the papers. A Russian government threatening British Airways. Say Mpensenpensemu no airspace.
Yeah.
And they will
ban. Say they should not fly in their airspace because immediately they will gun you down. And Jadena you. And the say you were about 1,000 and the chronosu. Chronosu inzi maybe me won bia no kakra obenya no na watwe mu e de pie say the obe nyoma akọ baby a you can cross the nearest border. You betumi de twom de kakra. Na announcement that we see no say Ministry of Foreign Affairs for a meeting. I'm sure you want to relate to your up to speed. Their information on my year omo additional that they were recruiting ebeboa say they about is an homophobia tete because idea to pay yet to twin they want shana akoka uba odishebi and is a ministry no I'm sure omo ye dey omo akọ safety ni nyina no ye omo details bibia na ya show parents and say and mo abani etu ni so they are reaching them to make sure say you be about safety. And I think say no one will say young year. And you be bomb so say.
We need say we as Ghanaians yet here in Punya omo work control no. Ye employ wolf you know. Ya check it. Insu so as ade e koso ye de bebre.
Because war na kono it's a war about affecting especially crude supplies, any gas supplies. Europe bebre pa.
And I may go through production.
I think Russia is the second or third highest producer of crude. Now, we share prices are a bokosro our world market. We should brace ourselves for serious repercussions. So in the international community, they must engage Russia to stop what they are doing. The United Nations, when I was almost one amono, no one can put in say.
And I'm also be a true Facebook say we there nanane ba omianya baby dey asemo ba be she.
Oh, na
so o man mo aye dey mo dey ba be
Eric Omodia we dey say ba dey say so o no mo man.
3 days ago na who say senior man abamu senior man. Gabi o chere na ko.
I dey say dia on the friend
that on Facebook say they about Russia and they see the dollar and they I can say
Endi Eric
Adjei kum ti ase so sama. Ti wakota no mambo di ade.
Susan say dey anu ehye pa I was say ye go kutu junior bompa here. Say a queen there me send the ashes and interest. Russia should understand that reason is you attack Ukraine make nikwata metiase. Obi kitani mai. In the past they were part of the federation. Not so much in Georgia, nominee Ukraine will be akọ. Why do you want hold on to that? They are independent state of their own. Pastorudi personal force. Mentiasia. Because you are a superpower, you just want to bully everybody. The best United Nations for sorry. Na yenen nkasa. Na onja de oya.
Se obetie dia Eric minim wa follow Ukraine and Russia issue kakra. Me mom de me worry ne ye ti hey. Yes, ye build Ghana beyond 8 years. So still, yen sashi senkrofo bibre enum. Ye dan krofo bibre. Ti asembi ba sepe na ho kyereba. Ene na no ada coronavirus ba ye. Even vaccine ba ye kra na ye wa man bi ho no ye hwomanim ansa na ye mu bi. Nti issue say ba na ye na sebe mpredu asa. Yen sanso ye chi na ye ho mobo kakra na ya asem ya.
Enokre anope match Adom TV ahefo nyina. Na mencha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Kenaneke yedene baby. Ti Ghana for waye bi pen yenim track record. Ti ohwa wasetena mu a 2024 na odi akwakoto aba. Ansa na meka sa asem no yebesre owura na nado danko Akufo-Adjei ne Alhaji Baumia. Ghana for adisuafo na ewa dwaman so esua de no. True Scholarship Secretariat. Na mo disika bi omo so mu di omo sika. Enko. They are struggling.
Scholarship.
Yes, Scholarship Secretariat. Sika was here they come
more outside na
yes.
Mo ofie no.
Yeah, ko Ukraine tina me ko ho no. Until you expecting Ghana ni or Ukraine aba na hwe ne se onwane nko hungry. Meanwhile for some months now the steppings is of the month man. They no dey for Ghana train krako. That is the wickedness baby a yedru ne no. Enti e best shewura Akufo-Adjei. Ye nuanom a Ghana ban omo Ukraine omo hen I say under Scholarship Secretariat no. Pay the monies to the secretariat.
Me follow suddenly.
It is a fact. A known fact.
Text, no. Say last photo for how long?
Oh, for some months, but exact months those kakra. 4 days ago.
About 3 months.
About 3 months. 4 days ago, we share daily graphic. Never daily graphic.
Okay.
What am I say? So Adena.
That's Friday.
That's good.
Graphic.
Adena ye ma nipedia bene will be mine so. And eba ni say earlier statement free Foreign Affairs Ministry by I read it. They said some countries are affiliated. Those say omunyanam ko ho ne de keka ho. Enti kanokre say woten kran aban na hwe school. Aduane e wo sa aban de ma odi onfa ma woni. Sika e wo so de ma to botum onfa ma be 3-4 months. Na de chinye bumbo bia ba den na obi po de be foot trains or de ko. These are the things that was a next statement ne kasa ni ne hia. Nti aban wo se baby wo se o monko ne be before mo. Wo de trotro akuzu a akofo mo akọ. Release the monies. Yes, sika bia na edi o.
Oh baba me sure say at this crucial moment.
And I'm say
OBG train fair ni bus fair. Me sure so.
Tran ho. Okay say o de tran ho. Na onidi.
Aduane asem de o kan me no ya.
Nti yesre Owura Akufo-Adjei say under Scholarship Secretariat. Sika na on fan kon enough. Because now no other o call 10 days trip o charter flight 4.9 million Ghana cedis.
So figures na one of the man.
Hey, I'm dispute. What is say can be a more dispute that? No more the correct figure nabada. We know what we are talking about. So pay them. Russia and Ukraine. Ajo bro. Baby Edru ne de anu nrudwem. Nyankopon ye best friend say.
What can say anu nrudwem?
Ya anu nrudwem. Na why na ko kan bi? Huh? Untimi nka bi. Owura Akufo-Adjei won untimi nka bi because even he level kura untimi.
Oh na so condemn.
Wa condemn. We level kura untimi pass. O ko kan Ukraine Putin asem. He level kura untimi pass. The yesre ne say Nyankopon hu omomobo.
Na so nim say by international politics your president or very astute.
Yeah, obo na masen. Huh? You want the ECOWAS president Africa, ya ECOWAS bear for. Or you're the West ECOWAS president. Don't go there. You're no murder because you cry a Timu Hano, Kuku Kwanesi. Nti empire ne se Yankopon onfa nimdie be num Putin. Said the bear obenya akoma manipa no aba for me. I like him naturally, me penasem, but I don't support war. Oh yes. Me leader bia ordene maima eto on top. I value you. I cherish you. Leader be oye courageous, me pewasem. And Putin the oye bia na Russian first. This war nya ha na ye beka bakwasem. Ye nimdie nti omoko. The future of Russia no. What am I? For the past 3 days, my follow-up, I've read a lot about. They are generating baby equality the Drew. We made you be asem. Nipa shrenen kwa eya. Ye besre. Ajobreo. Na United Nations. Was it 4 days ago? Omo ye meeting na. Now omo ko take decision. Yes. And so omo ye meeting na China for veto. You see, a power play and a coso. Because I might what to a man found compensation paying a pay and yapeda. What the two to obey them. Yape. And a man who do in a yape. Until Ghana our independence, I want to make us so quick in America. What am I saying? Because Russia no will be any superpowers or more play with us. They are part we are more free more ye. Now, cast a Ghana na to Asha Burkina so. Anka UN Fushia no Yanka Street say and two shares to be. What am I say? But on my back person no, you're not sure no motio. Until the other thing is Biden aba ye ko support or more with the ammunition now we have I don't know for human resources uncle. You see, these are the things that was using lesson as of mine. There was a time, was it 3 years or 4 years ago? Yetiania NDC for starting a demonstration say at the end, America for Kwan Ukruma so we set up military base. Okay.
Yeah.
If you do those things, who create enemies among countries are money that countries no problems no. You are inheriting their enemies. Not to issues never. We are aware because omunim say Ukraine and Russia there. It is Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire. Your border so poor so come.
There be no Ukraine.
It is say anye bibi nya. Ukraine between Judas. Yeah, that is how the man is thinking. Nti amana atwa ne ho ahia Poland, Finland ne de keka ho nyina NATO fo ya jehoafa through Americans. Nti Ukraine de wo de no de wet and yen so ema o me so ne America for alliance. Because all yes royal amebo. That is all. We African leaders, you should start learning senses from it. Ewo ho anoma kwaje
basa de wo kan se wadwen so ko sa ya na se world peace ne so de
adan yeti kroma yentimi mo ehoma now ka so bi beje o man mu so de oye ne military base na human resource keke no de omoba o de akonde nyina bisi ya then ma Ukraine you can say US any Cuba issue no buy some years ago as at now US almost some sanctions are that Cuba for no so. What am I saying?
But the okay,
yes, so
but
African leaders.
Me sure so drive it at a justification.
No, I'm not me justify, but me say you insure lesson and you in film. Oh, it's serious because say a sovereign state. Now you're dealing with other countries. We should know how to deal with them. China, no dream. North Korea, no dream. What was Bianca? The omo kan say na munya ntokwa no na mpanimfo no ye conferences akese kohwe they need you but power to me won omo kon no to me keke but at the end of the day amanfo na suffer eno amete TV ho amehwe na wo hwe enkwada mienu ye say omo parents no ya amomo an cross border no na nkwada no mum cross ye ntima me ba ko ono so across na wafa nkwada no de omo ko onim ne da
Odomo ko hin.
Omo dwane omo ko different country because that is the issue. Entokwa na asi. Obi a wadi 18 years and above bia wo ha wo ye be ma OCPC ta no. Ye ma on cross ye ma otu okokun bi. That is it now. Is that fair? No. Enti ye best African leaders. Mo kwatena ECOWAS allowances akese na moje no. You should be thinking of the future of our country. If indeed Ghana beyond Ada, ye here a drama so asraf was say ye meji baby ntena those things you should be very careful.
All right.
Don't create enemies for your nation. Because they are quite no. Once Africa intimi come oh kwaka Germany obey that
e roye ho ayepe
o tijaso Germany
yen sakura
wo dey make Germany o can be enye because Russia for my gas the second largest exporter of crude in Russia. What am I say? In Russia no nipa o monsa so o mo so ne den edoso nti na penifo no ntimi nkasa ba ebesre we nyankopon hu Putin o de onkofa bibi nhye ne tim because wo hwe ne kasa na why ready say
ye besinsi
ye besre we nya Akufo-Addo owura Akufo-Addo na mesre nyankopon because ono kra no ye kwoto aba ye kwoto aba ku nipa etu
yanyi enkra we emra sisi a ye ba behwe have courage to accept divergent views. First deputy speaker the country speaker of parliament is so then Ukraine Russia say me bia na say ho asem to say ye ba sisi